Is an app lagging continuously on your Samsung phone? Well, then you have to stop the app to fix this, and in this video, I'll show you 2 methods you can follow to stop any app on your phone. Let's dive into it. Method 1. Using app settings. Open up the settings, scroll down a little bit, and then find out the apps. Now, tap on it. Scroll down again. Now, tap on the app you want to force stop. Then look at the bottom right corner. You will see the force stop option. Now, tap on it. Next, tap OK to confirm the force stop. Method 2. Using home screen app. Go back to the home screen. Find out the app you want to first stop. After that, press and hold on the app. Next, tap on the eye icon. Now, tap on the force stop from the bottom right corner. Then tap OK. So, that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comment box below. Thanks a million for watching.